In this video, I will show you how you can fix error code 5 in Marvel Rivals. So the first step is you need to check the server status and see if it is a worldwide issue or you are getting the error only on your system. So make sure to simply search for Marvel Rivals server status. Then you need to go for their official Twitter account, which is this one right here. And if you see any kind of announcement or news related to any kind of server issues or anything like that, make sure to wait until it fixes itself. If the issue still persists, you need to simply search for CMD just like so. Then you need to simply paste this ipconfig flush DNS. Once you do so, this is going to flush the DNS resolver cache, which might fix your issue. If the issue persists, you need to simply uninstall the game from Steam itself, go to your library, then go for Marvel Rivals. Then you need to simply click on it and make sure to click on settings and then go for manage and then click on uninstall. Make sure to reinstall it again and see if the issue persists or not. You can also try to contact customer support, but I recommend you to wait until it resolves itself. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix error code 5 in Marvel Rivals.